First you put it here. Oh. One, two, three.
Okay. Wow, that's so cool. What else do you add?
I don't need the spatula.
No, you don't need a spatula?
Hot, 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 hot. It's really hot.
Okay.
Welcome to Rachel's Playdate. Hi guys, I have a Play-Doh kitchen set, and it will look like 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. It's a pizza kitchen creation.
Yeah.
Rachel, we're gonna play with your toy, your new toy, pizza creation.
I like it.
You like it?
Now let's get a ball.
Okay. What's next?
A ball.
So we're gonna start the pizza right now, okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Go. You can make it even smaller.
Yeah, smash it a little bit so they can fit there. Push it all the way to the end. All the way to the end. There you go. Press it. 1, 2, 3. Wow! So you're gonna need the spatula. So we need the toppings.
This is like to spin it right there.
Like a real, making like a real pizza.
Yeah. Oh, I breaked it. Never mind. I will do my hand instead.
Oh, with your hand.
Oh.
What is that? Oh, that's nice. So where is it going now?
Now
We need to add the topping, so you're gonna put it right there. Yeah, right there.
let's add the topping. Cheese.
Okay.
It takes so long.
20 hours later.
Whoa.
So where's the pizza?
Oh, right there.
Okay. Okay.
I did a little bit more. Whoa!
That looks like spaghetti.
What do you mean, spaghetti?
Because it's too long. I think you need to cut it.
Yeah. Ah!
So you have one kind of cheese. Now put the white cheese.
White cheese? Okay. Because I'm making this one?
Yeah. So it has two kind of cheeses.
I want to roll it.
Roll it.
Yeah. And put it in there.
Okay.
Yeah, like that or one. Yeah, because it'll work.
Okay. So we have we have one kind of cheese. So we're gonna add the other kind of cheese, the white cheese, to our pizza.
Oh,
Wow. So coming.
white and this color.
It's mixed.
Yeah, that's because I didn't leave yellow.
So that's a lot of cheese for a pizza.
What do you mean? It's a little bit. Cut, little cut. The pizza. No, cut. I think that's enough.
We're gonna make the pepperoni.
Yeah.
Good job, Rachel. Okay, Rachel, how many pepperonis do you have so far?
2.
That's the second one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Guys,
Mm-hmm.
do you like my pepperoni pizza?
Yeah, it looks delicious, Rachel. Okay, check the recipe to see if you're missing an ingredient. Check the recipe. What else does it need?
Sauce.
It needs sauce.
Before this, we need sauce.
So it's missing the condiments. Rachel is putting the condiments. So it will look like in the recipe, the picture in the recipe. Yeah, it looks pretty. So we're gonna put it in a plate and we can cut it in pieces. So Rachel is gonna cut the pizza. Yay! You're a chef now, Rachel. You can make pizzas. That pizza has extra cheese and extra pepperoni. I love pizza. Do you like pizza, Rachel? Yeah.
I don't like the pepperoni, so I'm gonna get it off for Royal. And you will eat it.
Okay, I'll eat the pepperoni. So you have cheese pizza only, no pepperoni.
piece?
So eat it.
First you put it here. Oh. One, two, three.
Okay. Wow, that's so cool. What else do
I
you
don't
add?
need the spatula.
No, you don't need a spatula?
Hot, 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 hot. It's really hot.
Okay.
Ooh la la.
That's your creation, Rachel? Okay, what else your pizza needs? It needs ragu. The next ingredient. What is the next ingredient, Rachel?
Is ragu little?
No, it's like that. You just put it like there, like that.
We put it here. We put it on top of it.
Yes.
It looks like a sandwich. There's ragu.
Okay. What else does it need? What is the next ingredient on the recipe? So we're making
Ragu.
the vegetables pizza with cheese and ragu.
Yes.
And it's spicy, has a pepper here, there.
Oh, I like.
Broccoli and mushrooms and cheese
I
and
like
ragu.
to see pepper, but I don't like to eat it.
What is the next ingredient, Rachel?
Cheese.
Okay. And you have to have the cutter. So you do little pieces, not long pieces like spaghetti.
I have to do long pieces.
Oh, good job, Rachel. So we have the cheese.
More.
You want a little bit more? Where's the cutter? Is your hand the cutter? Okay, what are the other ingredients?
But I don't
You're gonna make the broccoli, Rachel?
Ta-da!
It needs a little bit more.
Ta-da! Again.
Wow, that's so cool, Rachel. That's the mushroom.
I'm doing the mushroom.
So you're cutting the edges, right?
Better, we need this. It's like I'm cutting my mushroom. What is broccoli?
Yeah, where are the broccolis?
Oh, they're right here.
Okay. Put it there. There. And
Instead, I will do two.
okay, two mushrooms. So we're making the red pepper for our pizza. Your red pepper. Okay, put it in the pizza.
A worm?
What is that?
It's a worm. This is
You
a
put a
worm.
worm? Do you like worms?
I like gummy worms.
Ah.
And I put a gummy
Is
worm.
that a gummy worm? Okay. Okay, so we have the pizza. Okay, let's compare with the recipe. Let's see if it looks like something like this. Does it look something like this? Okay, with a special touch of Rachael. Oh, it needs pepperoni.
I'm putting this.
What are you doing, Rachael? Are you adding something else? Is that a peanut? So what is that? Is that a peanut? Okay.
I'm gonna put the peanut here. There.
Wow. So that's the pepperoni, peanut, gummy worm, red pepper,
Let's see if
and
matches.
cheese pizza.
Now let's see if matches.
Okay, let's see. I think yours look yummier. Do you like your recipe? Your special recipe?
Yeah, now let's make another one.
Okay, let's make another.
Yeah, this one is yours and the other one is mine.
Rachel, how about if we make a candy pizza? Yeah? You want to do that? So what are you making, Rachel?
You're making the ingredients.
You're making a green pizza. Wow. Is that made with vegetables? So what are you adding?
Ingredients because you was making it.
Okay, we have a candy, a little house. Are those gummies? A teddy bear pizza.
And what now?
Okay, let's add gummy worms. Are you mixing Play-Doh colors, Rachel?
Now time to put it. Oh, no, pizza. But first I have to do the cheese. No cheese.
But that will be gummy worm cheese. Wow, I can see the cheese coming out. It's not cheese, right? It's gummy worms. Wow. Okay. Yeah. How about the toppings? That's cool. So what are you doing, Rachel?
I'm making a long spaghetti.
Long spaghetti? But that's blue color. The spaghetti is not blue color.
But I'm making a different one.
So this is one is a fun spaghetti, fun pasta.
What do you mean? Long spaghetti.
You have to press really hard.
It's getting longer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what else? Wow, that's a colorful pizza.
Now the tasting test.
Okay.
Yours or mine?
Wow.
Which one is better to eat?
I think this is spicy and this is sweet. Is that too much candy?
Which one? Eat which one that is the favorite of yours?
I think will be this one. I like spicy. Oh no, I like candy.
Is it yummy?
Yummy, yummy.
No, you lost.
I lost.
Win. Bye.
What is that? Is that a monster? Monster? No! No! So that's the pepperoni, peanut, gummy worm, red pepper,
Let's see it
and
matches.
cheese pizza.
Now let's see it matches.
Okay, let's see. Is yours is a special recipe?